Imagine a world where traditional money loses its clout, and real power lies in the goods you've stashed and the skills you've honed. In this new economy, the concept of value is entirely reimagined. The essentials for survival, clean water, non-perishable food, medicines, and tools for repair or defense, become the new currency. Luxury items that once seemed invaluable may lose their luster. But here's the twist. It's not just about what you have, it's about what you can do. The ability to treat basic medical issues, fix machinery, or grow food could make you a cornerstone in a bartering network. It's time to take inventory. What do you have? What can you do? And then consider this. What might be in demand in a crisis situation? How can you fill those gaps? Remember, the real currency in this new economy is not just what you have, but what you can do. Now let's dive into the heart of bartering. Negotiation. It's not just about exchanging goods or services, it's about building rapport, being transparent, and practicing empathy and flexibility. First up, rapport. Before you even start talking trade, take a moment to connect with your trading partner. Share a story, find a common interest. This is about much more than a single transaction. It's about establishing a bond that can lead to future opportunities. Next, transparency and honesty. As you discuss potential trades, be clear about what you have to offer and what you expect in return. Misunderstandings can lead to broken relationships and missed opportunities. Finally, empathy and flexibility. Understand the needs and constraints of your trading partner. Be willing to bend a little. The goal here is not just to walk away with a deal, but to create a win-win scenario that builds a lasting relationship. Remember, negotiation is not just about making a trade, it's about building a relationship that could be beneficial down the line. With a good grasp on value and negotiation, it's time to set up your trade network. Starting small is key. Your immediate community, be it neighbors, friends, or local groups, can serve as the foundation of your network. Share your needs and offerings, and you'll be surprised at how quickly connections can grow. But don't limit yourself to your immediate surroundings. The digital world offers a wealth of resources. Online forums, social media groups, even community bulletin boards can help you expand your reach. Remember, maintaining regular communication is crucial. Keep your network updated on your inventory and needs. This not only keeps the network active, but also fosters a sense of community. Trust and reliability are the bedrock of a successful trading network. Follow through on your promises and you'll find others will do the same. Finally, diversity is your friend. The more varied your network, the better your chances of finding what you need when you need it. A strong, diverse, and reliable trade network can significantly boost your success in a post-collapse economy. Let's recap the key points in mastering bartering and trading in a new economy. First, understanding value is crucial. In a world where traditional money loses its clout, the real power lies in the goods you've got stashed and the skills you've honed. Essentials for survival and daily living become the new currency, and your skills and knowledge can be your biggest assets. Second, negotiation is your bread and butter. Building rapport, being transparent, and practicing empathy and flexibility can ensure win-win scenarios and build long-term relationships. Finally, setting up trade networks is vital. Start small with your immediate community, but don't stop there. Online forums, social media groups, and community bulletin boards can help you reach out beyond your local area. Regular communication, trust, reliability, and diversification are key to a robust network. Remember, this journey might seem daunting at first, but with a solid understanding of value, honed negotiation skills, and a robust trade network, you can navigate this new economy like a pro.